These could be the friendliest fruit-picking robots to hit orchards. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and find out why so many people get my newsletter for free. All right, this is Tevil's flying AI robot that picks only the ripest fruits 24/7 in a very gentle way to keep fruit in perfect shape. These tethered drones are farmers' new high-tech sidekicks, solving labor shortages and boosting efficiency. Now, when I was growing up, I had to harvest my grandma's orange and grapefruit trees. She had probably about 8 of them out in the yard. I kind of dreaded going to grandma's, except for her cooking was so good. Well, I would have loved a robot helping me skip out of these chores. And here is another innovation, a new robotic gripper. Inspired by measuring tape of all things, this robotic gripper from UC San Diego handles delicate produce like vine-ripe tomatoes and lemons without a scratch. The power and gentle nature is the secret sauce here. A unique design combining strength and flexibility, perfect for agriculture and beyond. Now here's a question though. Are these robots going to wipe out immigrant farm labor? Let us know in your comments below. More cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Follow me and get my newsletter for free right at that website.